Hey, welcome to Rust Revival Garage. My name is Tim. Got a simple one today, something I've been needing to do for a long time on my wife's car. And kind of wanted to put this out because I know a lot of people really don't think about their cabin air filter in their car. You really want to change those because it's just like the air filter in your house. It gets clogged up. And what that does is it makes everything else work harder. If air can't get through, it's like putting a mask on your face. You can't get as much air in. Makes your heart work harder. Well, it's going to make your car's air conditioning compressor work harder, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. If you've got the same car, hopefully this will help you out in some way. Even if you don't, just a good reminder to change your cabin air filter. So let's get to it. It's also a good idea to get a decent brand one. Don't just get something that doesn't have a lot of good filtration. Get something that is a fairly decent brand name, good quality, all of that kind of stuff. But definitely pick up something that will last for a good long time and do the work. And if you've got the Honda Passport, it's 6029C. That is the part number for this Bosch unit. All right, this is my wife's 2021 Honda Passport. When changing the cabin filter, it's going to be here inside on your glove box. Oh, quite a mess. And don't let it freak you out too much. You can't see a whole lot going on, but it's pretty easy to move the glove box out of the way. All you need to do is pinch it in from the sides and everything falls out. But that's it. You can just see there's two little spaces over here on the side that connect up here. You push these in and it comes down. Now if you look right here, this is where the cabin air filter goes. Again, you just pull it in, these two little pegs on either side. You pull it in and you take it out. Now I kind of want you to look at this. Leaves are in here. You can see how dirty it is. You can see it is severely clogged up. I mean, you can just see all the layers of dirt in there. This is something you want to do on a regular basis. I don't honestly know how many miles or many years, but I believe this one's at about 60,000 miles, and it definitely needed to have been done before this. So let's get this one out of the plastic and put the new one in. Let's see if I can see how much stuff comes out of here. Yeah, it's just so bad. I mean, it's just clogged up. Now, the only thing I'm not crazy about is this one has a lot more pleats in it than this replacement does. So, kind of not crazy about that. I'd like to have more pleats. So there actually may be a better one of these that I might want to use. You can usually see on here, you can see I took it out. It says airflow down. The airflow is going to go in this direction. Your replacement will pretty much tell you the same thing. The airflow is going to go down on this one. And that's it. Then this will go right back in and you're done. And you can hear it click into place. Then this comes back up, pinch it in a little bit, and then it stays. And that's it. And then I've got to put all this stuff back into the glove box so my wife doesn't get too mad at me. That's it. Now, even you old school car folks probably have a newer vehicle in your line of cars, and it's a good idea to go do this if you haven't done it already. It might have been a long time since you've done it, if you've ever done it. So this is just, like I said, sort of a reminder. Get out there and do it. If you've got a Passport, hopefully this helped you out. Leave me a like down below if you got anything out of it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below too. That helps. But like I said, hopefully this helps you out. Thank you very much for tuning in. We will catch you next time.